Setting up your Costway portable air conditioner begins with proper positioning. Place the unit on a level surface with adequate clearance for optimal performance. Next, connect the exhaust hose to your air conditioner. The flexible hose extends up to 59 inches and connects with a counterclockwise twist to ensure a secure fit. Install the window kit by securing it in your window opening. The adjustable bracket system accommodates different window sizes, but you may need minor modifications for optimal fit. Achieving a tight seal is crucial for efficient cooling. The exhaust hose removes hot air from the condenser coil, while cool air circulates through the evaporator, creating the cooling effect. With proper positioning, hose connection, and window kit installation complete, your Costway portable air conditioner is ready for operation. Power on the unit to begin enjoying efficient cooling. Your Costway portable air conditioner offers 3 main operating modes to meet different comfort needs. Understanding these modes will help you use your unit most effectively. Cool mode lowers the room temperature by removing heat and humidity. This is your primary air conditioning function for hot weather comfort. Fan mode circulates air without cooling, providing air movement and comfort when full cooling is not needed. Dry mode, also called dehumidifying mode, removes moisture from the air. This mode can extract 40 to 50 pints of water per day, making it perfect for humid conditions. For daily operation, start by pressing the power button to turn on your unit. Then select your desired mode using the mode button on the control panel or remote. Adjust the temperature and fan speed to your comfort level. Most units allow temperature settings between 60 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. When using dry mode for dehumidifying, you can set up continuous drainage to avoid manually emptying the water tank. This is especially useful since the unit can remove large amounts of moisture daily. Regular filter cleaning is essential for optimal performance and clean air circulation. Clean filters ensure your unit operates efficiently and provides healthy air quality. Clean filters improve air quality, increase cooling efficiency, and extend the life of your unit. Follow the 5-step process shown for proper filter maintenance. Many newer Costway models include smart features that allow remote control through smartphone apps like Smart Life. These features provide convenient scheduling and monitoring capabilities. When not in use, store your unit in a dry place to prevent moisture damage. Regular maintenance and proper storage will ensure your Costway portable air conditioner provides reliable comfort for years to come.